Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business training room visual clarity using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a training room image. I pause because learning spaces shape business growth. The wide angle makes the room feel unstable. I duplicate the layer gently. I open adaptive wide angle inside camera raw filter. I draw constraint lines along whiteboards and walls. I pause and watch clarity return. I zoom in to inspect screens and seating. I refine the correction for comfort. I zoom out and feel focus in the room. Now I add business training text aligned with the straight structure. The final visual feels calm, professional, and ready for business.